Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Adidas RPD 01 with your Android device. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices. Now click on pair new device, and after that press and hold middle button on your headphones for at least 4 seconds until you can see that LED light is start flashing blue. Here we go. Now we can see it. Click on it. Pair. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!